You're focusing. Okay. Kanaraj, can you share the screen?
One second.
Okay.
Is it visible? Is it visible, Avinish?
Yeah, Kanaraj. Okay. Guys, Ratnapriya and Srikanth. I think so, Srikanth, you have some knowledge about types of PCB. Okay, this only. Yes, last class I can see that types where the copper layers are plated. For a single layer, the copper layer. Kanaraj as well as record the session. Okay.
Okay, Avinish.
Okay. It is useful for the person who are not attend the classes. Okay. First of all, I would think I want to tell that single layer PCBs are nothing but the copper layer which is present at the one end. Okay, in the one layer. Other than that, uh, the in double layer, the copper layer, which means the signal can be able signal and the components can be placed at both layer from top and bottom, which mean you can see in the second image, which means noted as a double layer. Okay, that in double layer we can use the vias for example. I also said that what is meant by via. Via is nothing but a act as a bridge between one layer to another layer. Okay, it is known as vertical interface access. Okay, Kannada, next slide. Yeah, guys, I also said that Ratnapriya, you want to know because it is a main architecture and a mechanical structure of the PCB board. Okay, here it is a top layer. Top layer is having of a green color area, which is nothing but a solder mask. From last class, I tell that what is meant by solder mask. Okay, solder mask is mainly used for preventing the copper from the oxidation. Okay, so only we are using a solder mask and also prevent from the false soldering. False soldering means soldering of soldering of two pads and all. In by using a solder mask, we can prevent that, and the soldering should be placed at the exact area. Okay, for that is the main purpose of the solder mask. It is a structure of multi-layer PCB. Multi-layer PCB means multiple layer of copper multi layer of signal can be transmitted through a board. Okay, first of all the structure is mean that it is a top layer. Okay, top layer means you can see that in top layer there is a three yellow light green. Yeah, Ratan bhai, you can see that light green
Yes, sir.
traces.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, that light green traces is represent the current carrying paths in the top layer. Okay, in a second in the in downwards there is a second yellow color area. Yeah, you can see that yellow color sheet, which means noted as an internal plane one ground. Yeah, that is a second layer where the copper, it is a ground plane. In ground plane is nothing but which is mainly used for reducing the noise or during the reflection. Okay. Other than that, there's a core. Core is nothing but a substrate where the uh, mm, substrate means nothing but as raw materials which provide the mechanical strength to the board. Okay. It is nothing but FR4. It is a mainly used raw material for a PCB. Okay. Kanagaraj, side by side, you can check the uh, members who have in guest in waiting for the meeting. Okay.
Okay, Avinish.
Okay. Here you have a middle layer. Middle layer is nothing but guys. You can see the area which is known as pre-peg. Yeah, pre-preg is nothing but it is a insulating medium, okay, insulating region where which separates the top layer and one layer and another layer, okay. It's act as a insulate insulation between two layers because if without any pre-peg insulation, there is a two layer means it can be easily shorted, okay. The signal can be easily shorted. In order to provide safety, we are providing the pre-peg area, okay. Okay, these are the main area, and not in the center there is a yellow color area, okay. The yellow color region is known as vias. I also mentioned that Ratnavi, you can see that on the top layer and the second ground plane can be interlinked with the one via, yeah, in first via you can see that.
Yes, sir. Even not a
At the same time, the top layer and bottom layer also directly connected through the via, yeah, you can see this.
Yes, sir.
This is the process of vias. Okay, by via is used to transfer the signal from top layer to the middle layer or bottom layer. Okay, okay. Kanaraj, next slide. Okay. Discrete wire and a multi-wire PCB. Okay, it is nothing but it is one of the type where variation of multi-layer packages. Packages, guys, let us see the what is mean by packages. Okay, packages are nothing but a components type. Okay, which means the components are been different types of packaging. Based on the packaging, the footprint also differ. Okay. Okay. Next one is circuit board is constructed by etching a pair of wire power layers back to back and a laminated substrate. Yeah, it is a closely spaced and having a n number of connections in it. Okay. So only it is one of the type. Kanaraj, next slide. Hybrid PCBs. Yeah, hybrid PCBs. Hybrid PCBs are nothing but a single. It should be in a single layer or a single or multi-side ceramic substrate. Ceramic substrate is nothing but a core. Okay. I also mentioned that what is meant by core. Core is providing the mechanical support to the board. Okay. In order to provide that, we are using these ceramic substrate with a collection of surface mount active components on a screened on resistors made up of metallic plates. Okay, it is nothing but it consists of surface mount technology. Yeah, you can know that what is in this surface mount technology. I will show that the here in surface mount the component should be placed at the uh, top of the board. Okay, it should be a top or a bottom, but does not inserted through a hole. Okay, here it is the main uh, use of hybrid PCB. Hybrid PCB is nothing but it has a double or a single side ceramic substrates made up of. Okay. Next one. Yeah. Flexible PCBs. Yeah, guys. In modern day, in day-to-day life, we are using more number of flexible PCBs. Okay, the flexible PCBs are mainly made up of substrate which has a more elasticity. Okay, elasticity means the substrate gives you the flexible flexibility to the board. Okay, in order to we are using FR4 means it is a strong and rigid. Okay, we can't able to provide this for a flexible. Why we are using flexible PCB? Guys, Ratnabia, you have any doubts? You have any guess? Srikam, Ratnabria,
Yes, sir.
you have any guess why we are using flexible PCB? Okay, I will tell you. Flexible PCB is nothing but once if there is a small amount of area, okay, in that particular area you want to fit the board, okay, but in a rigid PCB you can't able to fit the board and it can't suitable for the different shape. Compared to flexible PCB, the PCB can be suit in any shape or any other within the area. Okay, we can fold and keep it, or we can make the PCB with along the surround the area. Mainly these type of PCBs are used in smart watches. Okay, which have more elasticity and in order to provide the maintain the durability, we are using the flexible PCB. Okay, polymide. Mainly the substrate is used here is polymide. Okay, polymide is a flexible raw material which provide more flexibility compared to FR4. Okay, this is one of the main thing about the flexible PCB. Ajit, okay, welcome. Next, Kanaraj, move to next. Yeah, uh, flexible rigid or flex rigid. Okay, guys, in this rigid flex, we also mentioned that rigid flex. Okay, in this rigid flex, you can see this. What is you have any guess about rigid flex PCB? Guys, you can see that in your real time. Okay, you can any guesses about that?
Yeah, like keyboard, LCD display,
I
thick and flexible. Both the thing will be
Yeah,
in keyboard.
yeah. Yeah, Srikant. Okay. Other than that, once you have detailedly inspect about the our smartphone debugging. Yeah. Once you have seen that, the technician remove the battery. There is a golden color wire which connects the battery to the motherboard. Yeah, you can see that some golden color uh, sheet.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah. Here there is a in left side, in right side there is a orange color sheet. No, orange color
Yeah, yeah.
paper. That is placed in our mobile phone, which is used to connect the battery and the motherboard or a camera. It does not surely tell that, but it is a these orange color layer is present in our phone. Okay, it is mainly used for transmission of a signal from signal or signal from motherboard to battery, or providing power to the motherboards. Okay, this is the way the motherboard is a rigid PCB. Okay, the layer which connects the our mobile phone battery and the board is a flexible PCB. Okay, these combining these two, we are providing the rigid flex PCB. Okay, it is mainly used for these combination is mainly used for high density interface or any other HDI designs or RF designs. Okay. Okay, guys. Next. Guys, you have seen that what is mean by multi-chip module. Guys, first you want to stay focused for the things which are I which are going to teach hereafter, because these are the main thing you want to know. Before that, before now, the things are teaching about the basics of the PCB. Okay, hereafter there is a we have entered into the core of the PCB. Okay, what is the things which are more used, and what are the things you have want to learn about the main core of the PCB. Okay, okay, in that types of PCB MCM. Okay, guys, you have anything idea? It is nothing but MCM is a multi-chip module. Okay, multi-chip module are essentially miniature PCB. Uh, in this MCM, guys, you can see that you have a PCB. Okay, in that PCB, you have seen that there is some of the IC packages which are already placed in that PCB. Okay, like flip flops or in guys, it is nothing but multi-chip module means multiple chips, like ICs, processors, and other components which have a more number of pins, they are able to placed in the board. Okay, it is known as multi-chip module. You can see the definition. uh, miniaturization Miniaturization is achieved by removing components such as ICs from their packages and mounting them directly to the substrate, which is okay. Guys, you have know about that ESP32? Hello,
Yeah, yeah.
Ratnapriya, Ajit.
Yes, sir.
Ajit, உங்களுக்கு தெரியுமா? ஹலோ அஜித். ஓகே, நீங்க இல்லைன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் கிளாஸ்ல. ஓகே. Okay. In ESP32, okay, Ratnapriya, it is one of the controller. Yeah, right, Srikanth. Okay, it is a controller where it is essentially contain of one chip, and that chip, there is a PCB in that. Okay, ESP32. There is a PCB and there is a chip for ESP32. Okay, in that chip has been placed in the small size PCB, and there is a small connection between pins which is present in the edge of the board, edge of that sensor. Okay, in multi-chip module, guys, Ratnapriya, you want to listen? It is already one board. Okay, are you hearing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is already a one sensor board. Okay, it is a controller. In that controller has a separate design for that controller. In that there is a one chip which is placed in the sensor. Okay, sensor or a controller. Okay, you can understand. Mm. Ratnapriya, you can understand in any other languages? Tamil.
Yes, sir. A little bit.
Tamil you can know in Tamil.
A little bit, sir. Not that much.
ஓகே, ஓகே. உங்களுக்கு என்ன சொல்லணும்னா, இப்போ ஒரு காம்போனன்ட் இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? நீங்க ஏதாவது ரெஸ்பாண்ட்
Yes, sir.
பண்ணா ஓகேவா? உங்களுக்கு வந்து இப்ப ESP32ங்கிறது ஒரு சிப்பு. ஆ?
Yes, sir. Inside that, you told that ESP32 board will be there. And
Yeah.
side by, they have sensors too.
Yeah, there is a sensors, there is a chip. Okay, ESP32 is a controller. In that controller there is a one chip which is placed in the controller. Okay, the controller has a PCB board and the chip is placed on the PCB board and the edges have a pins. The total entire board is known as ESP32 controller. Okay,
Yes, sir.
but in your project you want to use a ESP32. What can you do? In your PCB you want to include a ESP32. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? You have done any college projects, final year projects?
Yes, we
Priya,
have. Yes, sir.
you can see any other college projects or any
Yes, sir. I have seen.
in that there you are using a only a ESP32 controller. Okay,
Okay. Uh,
but in a proper or industrial board or a project of PCB, you can't able to directly connect a separate board to a PCB. Okay, in order how to you can manage, for that there is a separate uh, you want to combine that ESP32 controller design within your PCB board. Okay, you can now understand. The only one, the chip will be placed in your board. Okay, in you can understand. You want to integrate
yes,
that. You want to integrate that PCB, your PCB design and the separate controller which you are using in your project. You want to integrate that, and you want directly connected the pins in the traces. Okay, only
okay.
one the module here you can visible, no, the silver color.
Yes, sir.
The chip only visible in your PCB board. Entire sensor, entire controller is not visible because well, in order to use a separate PCB and connect them with wires, we are using a single PCB. The PCB, the traces of the separate ESP32 is integrated with your design. Okay, you can now you can understand. Okay, Kanaraj, move to next slide. Okay, types of MCM. Okay, MCM is multi-chip module. L and C, D, DC and SI, which means separate as a laminate, multi-chip module laminate, multi-chip module ceramic, and multi-chip module deposited and DC, which means deposited and co-fired. Okay, other than that, SI means a silicon, multi-chip module silicon. These are the types of multi-chip modules. Okay, next slide. Okay, methods of attaching components. Okay, uh, guys, in how to placing a components? Yeah, in night. Yeah, wide range of methods have been evolved of for attaching components in PCB. It is classified into mainly five types, guys, which is nothing but only through hole. Okay, through hole means you already know that. What are the inputs for the through hole? You can say Ratnapriya, Ajit, or Srikanth.
For through hole, we require through hole components, and we require boards with double-sided or single-sided with holes, so that you can
Yeah,
mount
we
the through
want.
holes.
Yeah, we need a that holds diameter. Okay, holds diameter and pad diameter for providing a proper through hole drilling. Okay. Okay, that one. Next one is a through hole mixed surface mount. Okay, through hole fixed surface mount is nothing but uh, it is a combination of both two technologies. Okay, next one is surface mount and one side only, which means surface mount in top side. Okay, top side is nothing but a single side. Surface mount at both side. Both side is it is mainly for the double layers. In double layers, we can also know that we can able to place a components in both layer, top and bottom. In case you want to provide a shortest you want to provide a short what means I want to you want to provide a short bold length means you want to place the component in both side, top or bottom. That only the fourth one is a surface mount both side with through holes. Okay. It the fifth one is a more complex because you want to providing a surface mount both sides with through hole. Okay, it is a complex because while providing a through hole, it should be it should be a difficult one because in through hole we want to ensure that the trace can't able to pass through the via areas. Okay, that's only thinking one. Next slide, Kanal. Guys, measuring the interconnectivity revolution. Okay, it is nothing but connectivity. Okay, chip scale packaging. Okay, guys, you can have any idea about a power grid array, chip on board,
Yes, yes, I
chip
know.
scale package. Next slide. Uh, next, 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 next. Wait. Before. Okay, guys, Ajit and Ratnpriya, you want to see that because what are the packages? Okay, in Altium there is a lot of packages. Okay, up to 40 or up to other than that. Okay, I does not clearly known about that. Okay, it has a n number of packages in that. Okay, here once you want to enter means there is a through hole. Yeah, you can know about through hole, guys. You know, Priya.
Yes.
You know that what is meant by through.
Yes, sir. You were talking about through hole.
Okay, through hole and SMD you can know. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here which means BGA. Okay. BGA is nothing but ball grid array. Okay. In this array, the chip has not has any pins. Okay, invisible at the bottom side. Yeah, in ball grid array, mostly the pins are the chips are in a square shape. Okay, in square shape, the pins are placed at the bottom where there is a not a pin. Okay, instead of pin there is a balls. Okay, balls will act as a pin, but the balls is not placed at the random. Okay, uh, it is located in the array. You can know that what is meant by array is a set of collection. Okay, in a vertical and horizontal there is a more number of balls which is act as a pin for the chip. Okay, you can understand. Okay, guys. Here, SOT is a small outline transistor. Okay, and SOP is a small outline package. TS na thin, soft, small outline package like that and all. Okay, let us see what are the packages and why they are used. Okay, move to next slide, Kanagaraj. Okay, guys. You know what is the through hole? Yeah. Through hole technology in THT, it is a method where the components it is inserted through the hole. Okay, in there we can the bottom side we want to place the soldering and place by pasting the solder paste and paste the component soldering. Okay, you have any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Other than that. Advantages. Okay. Advantages means mainly it is focusing on the strong mechanical connection. Okay. While providing a through hole, we want to put a drill. Okay. Drill through the uh, entire board. Okay. In entire board, by while using drill, we can't only providing a drill. We also providing a electroplate. Electroplating. Yeah. Electroplating means copper plating, not electroplating. It is by copper plating. Copper plating means which is helps to provide a signal to the entire layer. Yeah, you can understand. So we have a uh, ca- through hole drills and a through hole component can be placed by making a uh, through hole. We have a extra additional mechanical stability. Okay, easier for the assemble and repair. Okay, easy for assemble means for a SMD we want to provide a proper and more effective component placement. For example, if there is a only two pad. Okay, you want to place a resistor in a exact area. Okay, if there is any movement in 1 mm means the component get be soldered in a edge. Edge means edge or the component does not get assembled properly. Okay, if there is any small vibration means if the component get moved from little bit means it should be a error. Okay, so in through hole there is a no error like this because once you place the components in to the hole, we can place solder at the bottom. Okay, there is a no issue for that. At the third one is better heat dissipation. Okay, heat dissipation is nothing but why it is better for heat dissipation means uh, for it is a through hole. Okay, if the component get produce any other heat means the component lid at the bottom has been distribute the heat to the surrounding. Okay, in by using this there is a no heat should be there. Okay, in the board. Okay, next slide, Kanaraj. Disadvantage. Okay, large and heavier boards. Okay, while creating a more components using through hole means the board size will be large and it should be heavier. Okay, heavier means in order to providing the copper plates in the vias, and it also providing the more board shape, more board weight. Okay, and providing large higher cost, because why it's providing higher cost means it providing a extra holes, which means drills and copper plating. By providing these, we are want to pay more amount compared to the SMD. Okay, this is the one disadvantage. Another one is a lower density. TH components cannot be packed as a densely on the PCB as surface mode. Oh yeah, here it is also one of the thing which can't be a lower density. We to only provide the lower densities in PCBs. Third, next slide, Kanaraj. Okay, guys, here it is what is mean by through-hole mount. Through-hole mount is nothing but what are the types in a through-hole? Okay, you can see that the through hole is classified into three type. Okay, single side. Okay, single side is nothing but holders. Yeah, you can see that some USB, not US, ESP32 or Arduino Uno Nano, that type of controllers have a set of pins in the edge. Yeah, you can see, which is used to insert a pins. Srikanth, you can see, I think so, you can see that. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, at the edge. Okay, for that it is a single side through hole. It is a first one. Okay, other than that, a dual side through hole is nothing but mainly it is for the ICs. Yeah, ICs 7 to like that, some part number. Okay, mainly ICs are used here for the double side. And another one is a full surface. Full surface is a pin grid array. Okay, full surface is similar to the dual side. Okay, here also the through hole can be placed. Okay, next slide. Kanal. Yeah, signal inline package, dual inline package. Okay, in signal inline package, I also mentioned that. Okay, guys, I does not want to bore you by reading the theory. Single inline package means I before I tell you that only one row which contains one row or column which contains uh, through hole. Okay, it should be mainly for the connectors. Okay, dual inline package is only for the ICs which has one chip which have two side of pins. Okay, you can understand. Next one, Kanaraj. Types of through-hole components, which means a zigzag inline package. Zigzag inline package is nothing but it is a one-line package. Okay, where the pins have one is placed at crossly. Crossly means one is placed at the first pin is placed slightly tilted for left side. Right, left side means another second pin is slightly lifted to the right side, and third is slightly lifted to the left. Left, right. That means that is the meaning here. Zigzag inline. uh, PGA means pin grid array. Pin grid array is a through technology, okay, which is arranged in a grid pattern. Grid pattern means nothing but a set of pins which have through holes. Okay, it is mainly for the connectors. Okay, next slide. Surface mount package, guys. You have knowledge about the surface mount package, yeah, right?
Yes. I know.
Okay. Yeah, it is no issues. Ratnapriya, you, Ajit, you.
No, sir.
Okay, you have no doubts, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you have any doubts, means ask immediately. I will tell you. I clarify your doubt. Okay, next. Okay, guys. Ganaraj, go to the previous. Where's the image? Previous. Yeah, guys. Here, you can see that uh, the image while zooming. There is a yellow color area in the bottom. The yellow color area is a pad, and it is a the square shape is a component. Okay, it is a SMD resistor or any other capacitor. Okay, Here the two edges is known as a pins for the component. At the bottom in the PCB there is a yellow color area. Okay, it is a footprint. Footprint is nothing but a pad. It is a landing area of the component pin. Through the pad, you can have a connection to the PCB. Okay. Next, I can see the next slide. Advantages. Space efficiency compared to through hole. SMD is a space efficiency one. Okay. Other than that, weight reduction. Weight reduction is nothing but it is reducing the board's weight because there is a no need of drilling holes. Okay. Other than that, high component density. High component density. High component density means SMD enables the components can more components can be placed in the PCB surface. Okay, in case it is a top layer or a bottom layer. Okay, third one is a fourth one is a automated assembly. Okay, in a for a SMD, the automated assembly can be possible. Okay, while assembly means while pasting, there is a soldering can be automated by a reflow soldering. Okay, the soldering is apart from for the manufacturing unit. Okay, we can see this about the only design. Okay, another one is improve high frequency performance. Okay, SMD is used for the improve high frequency performance. Other than the thermal performance is slightly can dissipate the components heat like through hole also because the pad is placed in the top layer or bottom layer. So if there is a the component produce any heat means the pad can be absorb the heat and the heat can be transfer the heat can be mitigate from the PCB board to the surrounding or layer. Okay, another one is a cost effective production. Yeah, you can it is similar for the through hole. It is not similar. It is against for the through hole because while we providing a through hole, it should be a high cost. Without a through hole, it should be a low cost. The drilling cost is not included in SMD. Okay. Next slide. Disadvantage: limited power handling, repair and rework challenges, durability, connectors. Okay, these are the disadvantages. Okay, you can read it. Limited power handling means SMD has a limited power only. Okay, while your compared to through all, it can't able to provide high power. Okay, repair and rework challenges. Okay, repair and rework should be most complicated compared to through hole. It is more challenge. In order to through hole, it is a easy one because the soldering it's only in the bottom once you unplug and we replace the new component. But here in SMD, there is a it is a small one, and during to the high density of component placement, the rework and uh, removal and uh, fabric assembly should be a risky one. Okay, durability. Concerns. Okay, it also durability means long life. Through all components cannot be malfunction simultaneously, but through all components it can able to get malfunctions. Okay, next slide. Component package type. Okay, component package type surface mount device. Okay, in surface mount there is a lot of packages. Okay, not one or two like through hole. It is a lot of things which are most essential for the footprint creation of your project. Okay, in case you does not have any footprint, uh, for you, for example, you are working in a company. Okay, in future you want to create a component, you want to create your project, but there is a no your office restricted that for importing the component from the online, and also uh, you want to create by your own like a different type of packages. Okay, for that you want to understand that what are the basic thing of the package and why the packages are used, what is the difference between these one package to another package. Okay, and why the named is the name can be tell you the difference and the working of the package. Okay, let us see next slide. By seeing these flow diagram, you can see. Okay, guys. Sometimes before I would say that what is mean by ball grid array. Yeah, you can match that. What is mean by ball grid array?
Yeah.
Yeah, here in this component in this chip, the pins are not like a normal pins. It is looks like a balls which is placed at the bottom of the chip. Yeah, you can see in the right side. Yeah, the bottom there is a balls red color. The yellow color and green color region is a chips chip. Okay, and the instead of pins there is a ball placed in the center. By the placing the ball in a correct pad in your footprint, then only it will be able to work. Okay, these type of packages are mostly used for high density interface. Okay, HDI connections, high density interface. Okay, next one. Advantages. Okay, yeah, I also mentioned that HDI means high density interface. Mainly high density interface or occur means we are pin selection is high pin density. Higher pin density means one for example one chip contains more number of uh, pins means then it should be a preferable one. Okay, for that these type of packages are used. Another one is improve electrical performance. Electrical performance also be increased or improved by using a ball grid array. Okay, guys, you know that why it is named as a ball grid array. Okay, which means for that only balls are placed in the array at the bottom. Okay, grid means you know that grids are nothing but a axis which have uh, unique spacing. Okay, so only it is named as a ball grid array. Third one is reduce signal crosstalk. Yeah, crosstalk is nothing but a noise which is occur due to the uh, interaction of two different signal by producing by the EMI, electromagnetic interface. Okay, other than is a thermal performance. By the thermal performance is much better in ball grid array because there is a area should be separated from the balls and the chip. Okay, there is some area between the PCB and the chip. So if the component has any expose some of the heat from the component, the heat should be evaporated to the surrounding. Okay, so there is a no issues. Okay, okay. Other than that, automated assembly. Okay, it is not we can't able to be solder because automation assembly should be possible because it is a surface mount. You can't able to provide to place each pin by a hand solder. Hand soldering is not able to suit for a ball grid array. Okay, once you want to place the solder paste at the component pins and you want to paste the component which means a chip which has ball grid array in the pads and you want to place into the reflow soldering, then only it can be solder. Okay, we can't able to solder in through hole. Oh, sorry, bare hands. Next one, Kanaraj. Disadvantages. Disadvantages. Okay. uh, Difficult inspection. Yeah, difficult inspection means nothing but uh, while the pins are in a grid means the center pins are can't able to be uh, inspect. Okay, that is a main disadvantages of here. And next one is rework challenges. Repairing also be a challenge. Package cost because a ball grid array can provide the most expensive compared to other. Next one is a testing complexity. Okay, testing BGS packages or fault or defect can be more complex than the testing packages of visible hits. Visible hits is nothing but a SOT. SOT is a small outline transistors. Okay, guys, it is a basic things of advantages and disadvantages. Okay, we can have a more number of packages. So I want to tell you that what is what. What is what means nothing but what are the what is the purpose of the packages and what are the packages are used in which components. Okay, next slide. Okay, guys, so you can see that you can visible. FPGA is nothing but here, yeah. Ball grid array where the pins are looking like a ball at the bottom. It is a bottom side of the chip. Okay, you can understand. It is placed opposite side of the board. Opposite means it one you want to flip the chip and place the balls in the pads of the PCB. Okay. Okay. Next, small outline transistor. Okay. Is a it is mainly small outline transistor is only for the surface mount. Okay. Go next. Next slide. Kanaraj. We can see the image and we'll explain you. Okay. Next. Next. Back the image. On back, back, back slide. Yeah. Here. Is a small outline transistor. Small outline transistor means here there is a some of the chip pins which have at the side of the chip. Okay, the side of the chips. The transistor means nothing but we can see that it has a three pins or any other four like the all pins. Okay, four because nothing but transistor has a you can see that says that transistor have three pins, which means FET means it is a source drain gate. BJT means a collector emitter and base. Okay. Uh, these are the three different. Okay. For these, it is a small outline transistor is suitable. Okay. Here it is a for the you can see that bottom left, right, bottom SOT 223. Yeah. Here it is a three pins, but also we have a fourth pin at the right top side because it is nothing but it is only three pin here, but one pin also. For example, the bottom three pins are 1, 2, 3, and the other pin in the top also it's refers as a 3 because it is going for the ground. Okay. Okay. Next one. Kanaraj. Next. Guys, these are SOT 23 that and all the types of packages. Okay, SOT 23, SOT 18, 89, 20, 20, 2 to 3, 3 to 3, 363, 553 as a different types of packages in SOT. Okay, okay. Next. Ah, small outline package. Okay, small outline package is nothing but a it has a similar for the SOT, but it is mainly for the ICs. Okay, some we also seen that small outline package, small inline package and a small outline package. Okay, dual inline package. Yeah, sorry guys, dual inline package. Dual inline package have a chips where the components has been plated in the through hole, but here in small outline pack inline package as a through hole, outline package as a SMD. Okay, that is the different. Here you can see the chip which has which the leads has been placed in the board. Okay, it looks like a J or L size L shape in the pins. Okay, by the soldering paste apply in the pins edge, and then the component get placed in the pads, and the paste is applied and the solder get done. Okay, this is the thing. Next one, Kanaraj. Next, next. Okay, next. Because why on to I am skipping means because there is a lot of number of packages. Okay, in today class we have entirely complete the types of packages. Then it should be easy for the component creation. Okay, guys. In further class, let us discuss about the uh, what are the uh, how to creating a symbol. Guys, Nivasan does not teach you about how to creating a symbol. Yeah,
He taught us, sir. Yes.
yeah.
But
He teach you,
yes, sir.
but it is a small component. So yeah, right. It should be a resistor or capacitor only. You will teach. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Resistor and capacitor. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, resistor and capacitor only you will teach, but there is a lot of components other than that. Okay, like uh, ICs, ball grid arrays, uh, QFN,
I think
QFP.
also here sure, sir. I see how to draw box, everything. I think.
Ratnapriya, it is not a box. It is other than that. You Srikanth, he will teach about that how to creating a footprint for this type of different type of package.
Yeah, he showed me actually on that day on through hole and SMD. Based on the
That
data sheet, we need to create the packages. But he briefed about the package how to create and all done already. We have tried
okay.
also and it was successful.
Which packages are you
He
created?
told it 0603 SMD components,
Okay.
connector 2 pin.
Other
IC
than that,
QFP, other QFP IC,
QFP. Quad flat
four
pin
sided,
only.
four
That
sided
also
also
that
he
also
told
you
me.
are created, huh?
Ah,
Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, tomorrow let us see what are the different type of packages. Uh, you only told though how to QFPN only, yeah.
yeah, I think he briefed about how to create the basic footprints and all. We may have to try QFP, DIP, SOP, TSOP, all those
Okay,
things.
don't
We may have
no
to
no
try.
issues. No issues. Tomorrow onwards uh, we can learn about how to create a entire footprint with all packages. Okay, different today packages, guys. Please be note that today's are the packages. Okay, in theoretical classes. Tomorrow we will see that how to create the different types of packages by our own by not importing. Okay, not only SMD or through all. If there is a lot of things, yeah, I also mentioned that SOP means the small outline transistor, QFN, quad flat lid, QFP is a quad flat pin, QFN is a quad flat no lid. Okay, no lid is nothing but there is a no pin should be visible to us. Okay, it should be inbuilt in the chip. Yeah. Okay, guys, it's some of the uh, data sheet should be referred. But tomorrow classes we want to see that how to create. Okay. Ratnapriya, no issues, Ratnapriya. It is a basic only. Okay. It does not affect your entire thing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next one. Okay. Wait. Thin small outline package. Nothing but it is similar with SOP. Yeah, SOP is a small outline package. Similar to it is a thin means the SOP size should be compared to SOP. It is a thin. Okay, the package size should be thin and compared to that it should be small. Okay, that's only the difference here. Okay, next one. Next page. Next. Okay. Thin shrink small outline package, guys. It is also small SOP, which means small outline packages. It is one of the type. Okay. Mainly these types of packages are not used in PCB design because in case if there is a these type of packages should be want to create means we can go with the SOP footprint. Wizard itself. Okay, let us design tomorrow. Okay, move next one. Next slide. Next. Wait. Back. Yeah, guys. Nivasan teached about that. Yeah, right.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, QFP. QFP is a quad flat package. Okay, quad flat package is nothing but a quad flat package is nothing but a ICs which has a, pins in the four areas. Okay, basically it's from starting pin it should be a 32. 30 guys, you know that why it is a 32 because each side has a equal number of pins. Okay, in a square top, bottom, left, right, both so not both. These four component, these four side has a same number of lids. Okay, which means 8. while you divide the pins 32 into 8, 4 means we have the 8. In case we want to have 64 pins means 64 divided by 4 means uh, there is nothing but each side has a 16 pins. Okay, these are the basic things for the QFPN. These pins are mainly used for the processor, like and all. You can see that processor, yeah, mostly processor has these type of package. Older processor has these type. For a new generation, we are using the QFN. Okay, that are the main processor or nowadays you are using. Okay, let us see further. Next one. Ah, ball grid array. I also mentioned that what is mean by ball grid array. Where the balls are placed at the bottom. Okay, solder balls have been placed at the bottom. Okay. Okay. Next one. It is also seen that. Yeah, guys, you can see that what is mean by multi-chip module. Yeah, you can understand. Ratnapriya. Once the oh, without importing two components in a PCB, we can't able to place that entire device to the entire controller to the board. In order to import, we want to import the design of the controller into a PCB, and we want to place the important chips of the controller into the PCB. Okay, we want to integrate the uh, controller into our PCB by importing the routing traces of the sensor or a controller. Okay, next one. Next. Okay, guys, what is wire? Okay, next. If there is any, no, guys, no. Wires, guys, I already teach you what is mean by wires. Yeah. Okay, Kanaraj. Go back to the previous before. Okay. Next one. Okay, common type of IC packages, advanced IC packages. Okay. Guys, in the table we can see that we can differentiate that what is that common type of IC packages, which means like dual inline packages. DIP means it is for the through hole, where the you can see that IC for the AND gate, OR gate, XOR gate. Yeah, while studying your BEEE, you can see that the some of the ICs which can perform the gate performance, which means AND operation or XOR NOR, not XNOR, that and all. Okay, NAND gate operations. Okay, the that chips are that ICs are mainly focusing for the that ICs are mainly focusing for the through hole. Okay, other than that, small outline packages are similar to the uh, dual inline. Okay, uh, in a dual small outline packages is similar to the dual inline. In dual inline, it is a through hole, but small outline it is a surface mount. Okay, wow. Another one is a quad flat package, QF package. Yeah, you can see that what is mean by QF means we can see in that the square shape which has a four side, and the pins are also be located in the four sides of the chip. Okay. Other one is a ball grid array. Ball grid array also we can see that it is a square shape. The pins are placed at the bottom of the chip. Okay. In the bottom of the chip, the pins can be placed, and we can solder in the bottom. Okay. Another one is a next second one is a chips advanced IC package type. Okay, in that chip scale package, another one is a system in package, multi chip module, and 3D packaging techniques. These techniques are mostly used in the modern uh, uh, mo- in uh, guys, other than that, in modern day technology, multi-chip modules are mostly used because it is chip scale packages also similar to the MCM. Okay, once the chip means nothing but it is a compared to the only single chip. Okay, single chip has been placed in the single chip can be placed in the surface of the PCB, but in a multi-chip, entire controller traces and boards can be integrated to the PCB. Okay, another one is third one is a uh, uh, emerging IC packaging types and strong. Okay, fan out wafer. Another one is a fan out wafer level packaging FOWLP and wafer level chip scale packaging and clip set based packaging. Okay, these packaging are focusing for the advanced, okay, HDI type of packaging should be focusing like these type. Okay, these are the segregation of the packaging type. Okay, guys, tomorrow we have seen that the first column. Okay, first column is nothing but how to create dual inline, small outline, a quad flat and a ball grid array. Okay, other than that there is some other type of packaging also uh, in tomorrow classes. In tomorrow classes, we haven't seen that these creation. Okay, guys, today classes end up to here. Okay, if you have any other doubts, guys, you have any other doubts?
No doubts, no doubts.
ரத்னபிரியா, அஜித், அஜித் இப்ப பேசலாம். அஜித், நீங்க கேக்குதா உங்களுக்கு? ஓகே, ரத்னபிரியா,
After this, I have that doubt. I wanted to clarify. I was telling no, we were doing that placement. After this, just 2 minutes, if you can spare, I want to show you that one.
okay, guys, Ratnapriya, you have any doubts?
No, sir. Not theoretical.
Okay. Okay, okay, guys. There is no doubt. Okay, Srikanth, you can share your screen and ask a doubt.
Yeah, I will share the screen. 1 second. You can see the screen.
Yeah, Srikanth.
Now, I was telling on that. Now you see how other components are moving. See, this was only I telling. I don't know why this is coming.
What?
I am
Once I
trying to remount
once,
the placement for Y1. If I go near C2, you see how C2 is moving. If I come near R2, see. If I go near IC, see.
okay.
I want to know this is which mode where we can use this one placement and why it is happening. I'm not getting this one actually. I didn't enable any feature for this. Assume that I replace the component U3. Now I selected U3. You see how other components are also moving.
Yeah.
See, it is pushing the components. I want to know this. I am having a doubt with respect to this actually. I
Okay,
just
but
wanted to.
we have a older version, so there is a no issue. Yeah, you can understand. In our version, there is a no issue. Okay, you are
Hmm.
installed on latest version. Yeah, I think so.
No, this is not
But
latest. Latest is 25. I installed 20.
oh, 20. No, no. Some of the corrections should be differ. Okay.
Correct,
Based
correct.
on
These features they have enabled actually with
okay.
movement, without movement.
No,
Something they
no,
might have given in the new
no
version.
issues, Srikanth. I also does not aware about that because these issues are new to me. Okay, new to
Okay,
me also.
okay, okay.
If in my PC there is a no issue like that. Once I enter means the my component also placed at the same components pitch also pin also. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay. I don't know how to identify this
Okay,
feature
no
actually.
issues. You can search at Google or by giving a prompt to the uh, ChatGPT. Okay, you can find
Mm.
some way.
Yeah, I just want to know how to search chat GPT. I am not very familiar about this. Like, I don't know, like, what is the issue bug here? Based on that
No,
keyword, it
no,
will.
Srikanth, you can ask the ChatGPT what are the things you have faced. Okay, you can understand by step by step. Okay, you can text the ChatGPT up to this is the issue. While I drag the component, all components should be moving
Correct, correct.
without the like that. You can search means they provide some other way. Okay,
Correct, correct.
while detailing, if the answer is not clear, means you providing a detailing way means it can understand and give you the proper. Okay.
Correct, correct.
If
And
the
I,
issue is faced by me means I will clarify you quickly. But the issue is new to me. Okay, so only I'm asked me to.
okay, okay, no problem.
Uh,
And I could able to successfully change the text, all the text of the component reference in one shot. I got that one actually.
okay, Srikanth. Any other doubts?
Yeah, that's all. That's all.
Okay, guys. No issues. Today class should be uploaded without fail. But I will ask the Nivasan to upload. Okay. Ratnapriya, don't worry. I will upload. I will ask to upload him soon. Okay. Okay, guys. Let us wind up the session. Thank you.
Thanks, Abhinesh. Thanks. Bye.
Okay.